Okay, so here you go with your chat links in the chat box. So I want all of you to open there. First link is of syllabus link. You can check your syllabus on this particular link. In case you have not enrolled yet, no need to worry. You can click on this payment link and you can join this batch. We are always welcome to take up the feedback. So you can fill up this feedback form and we'll get it. Yes, you have complete right to know about and detail for batch. So you need to click on this all batch detail link. In case you have any further queries, you can email us at support@olympiadsuccess.com or you can drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. Right? Okay, so now I would like to invite a mentor at the platform. Her name is Miss Neha. She's a wonderful mentor. Her classes are very engaging and interesting, and she's into teaching profession since so long. I think when you have not even born also, and she is taking Olympiad classes from past 4 or 5 years. So I think you will be able to enjoy her session, and this will be very productive for you. So over to you, Neha, ma'am.
Good evening, Bihan and Gauranj. How are you? Okay, you have to show me your thumbs up, okay? How are you both? Nice? Okay, fine. So, Bihan is from Kolkata and Gauranj is from Gurgaon. Okay, let me introduce myself. I'm your maths mentor for Olympiad classes. My name is Neha Singh. I have done my BTech in 2011 and then I have done my B.Ed also. Presently, I am teaching to the students of some countries like Australia, New Zealand, and yes, in India, I am taking only Olympiad classes. And I'm just looking forward to meet both of you again, both of you very soon in the upcoming sessions. Okay, we'll have a great means. We will have very enjoyable learning. It's not a kind of means just study. We will the session will be very interactive. I used to talk a lot with my students. Okay. So now Pooja ma'am will be taking the rest of the procedure. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So let me share my screen with both of you. So I want you to be very, very attentive because one another you're going to get something different on the screen. So you should be attentive, okay? So here you go with the presentation. So I would like to inform you that you must be aware of that Olympiad Express is India's largest preparation platform wherein we do offer school plus program, which include different subjects that is mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, Vedic maths. We do offer individual batches for different Olympiads that is SESMO, SEMO, HKMO, TIMO, and so on. And for different grades, of course, from grade 2 to 12. You can meet our rank holders on the screen. They are kids like you only. So if you will also work hard for how you can become a rank holder, you just need to spare 2 hours every day extra from your regular studies, right? So in this way, you can score well and you can be a rank holder. So they are kids like you only. So be a rank holder for coming year, okay? Yes, what all you'll be going to get in live classes. There'll be group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom platform by a seasoned teachers. The session will be 3 days per week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Timing will be 4 p.m. till 5:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break. The session will include topic-wise quick revision, discussion on previous papers. You'll be going to get your reading till everything is available on the dashboard. Soon I'll be going to show you the dashboard also. So these all links are relevant for your course. No need to worry. Links have been pasted in the chat box and will again be pasted in the chat box. So syllabus is available at this particular link. Fees for this course will be 10,038 rupees. It will be 45 session course. You can complete your payment process and join the batch. What all you need? Just a laptop or desktop with good internet connection, a headphones for better audio clarity. The live classes will be going to continue from May 21st, 2025. So let me take you to our dashboard now, wherein you can dive into the material. So let me share my screen once again with you all. So what all you have to enter? You have to enter olympiadsuccess.com, wherein you'll be directed towards this page. Over here, you will be going to log in with your email ID with which you will register with us. Okay, so as of now, I am entering with one of our demo account. Make sure that you enter the correct one, otherwise you will find difficulty to sign in. So here you go with your personal details, check it. In case you find any error, you can rectify it and you can update it over here. Moving forward, you need to click on live classes. Select your subject of course. And topic. So let's go ahead with the number set. So here you can see the schedule, holiday calendar, reading material, question papers, and answer key. So everything is customized and designed for your better understanding and for the clarity. So in schedule, you'll get to know that in this session, you're going to cover which particular topic. So you can see each and every topic is bifurcated in different session that you should cover up all the test papers as well as exercises and theory completely properly for the in-depth knowledge of particular topic. So what is test discussion? So once you have completed one chapter, you will be going to prepare for mock test paper, okay, which will be shared by mentor in the chat along in the group. So at home, you have to complete that mock test paper. In coming session, you will be going to discuss that mock test paper with your mentor in the class. So after all the sessions, so there's a prize for you that is super classes. Super classes means more and more practice. So in that, you'll be going to go previous year papers because Olympiads are meant for in-depth knowledge, one. Second, to fasten your speed because obviously you should not waste a lot of time on one particular tricky question because obviously in Olympiads, you'll be going to get so many tricky questions. So for more and more practice makes you more perfect. Okay. So super classes will be going to cover up a practice previous year paper. So here is a holiday calendar. Obviously, we are living in North. So we don't want you to miss any of the session because already we do have festival holidays. Okay. Here you go with the reading material. So you can see there are two sets. I'll be going to show you just one as of now for your reference. Once you enroll with us, you can have access of this entire material. So you can see the PDF. These PDFs are downloadable. You can just click it and download and you can check it offline also. Okay. So this is theory. Now here you can see the question papers. This is again downloadable. I want to download the paper, solve it, and then check your answer keys. Don't download your answer keys parallelly, okay? If you'll be fair with your paper, then only you'll be going to score well. You'll get to know whether you have understood about particular topic or not. So here you go with the answer key. Yes, there are more practice for you. That is under section of worksheet. Practice makes a man perfect, right? So more and more practice will come out with a very good practical knowledge for you. So click on worksheet, select your subject, of course, same procedure, click on take exam. This is how you can attempt your worksheet, read instructions carefully, tick this box and start worksheet. And here you go with the questions. So read the question, solve it, and then fill your answers. So you can see once you're done with, I am not very much sure with the answer, but let me select over it. Once you're done with the answer, you can click on next button for moving forward for second question. Done with the second, keep on moving ahead like this for all the questions. Once you're done, you can click on finish button for the submission of worksheet. Yes, I have reviewed all the questions. So the best part of our platform is the moment you are done with the worksheet, you can see how you have performed and how much score you have got in that particular test paper. So for that, click on performance button, select your subject, of course, and click on take exam. Sorry, click on view button. So today is 16. I have attempted this worksheet just now. Click on view button and here you go with your scores. So I've attempted two, both are wrong, right? So make sure that whenever you're preparing and you are attempting your worksheet, you should be very, very attentive. Okay. So yes, that's pretty much about it. Let me log out and let me stop sharing my screen. Here we go. So if anybody is having any doubt related to the course detail, timing, class days, anything, feel free to type in the chat box. Otherwise, we'll be going to hand over to your mentor. For that, you need to give me a thumbs up on the screen. Any doubt, Gauransh and Bihan? Shall we begin with the demo then? Shall we give it to your mentor? Quickly message me what are your class days and timing. Hurry up. You can write a short form also. MWF, TTS, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, or Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Hurry up. We'll not waste much more time. What are your class days? I just wanted to check your attention span before moving forward for your class demo. Are we typing or we are thinking? Where we are? Okay, so let me inform you, your class days are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And your timing will be 4 p.m. till 5:15 p.m. Okay. So let me type it in the chat box, but be attentive in the demo. Okay. Your mentor is going to teach you a very interesting topic. So over to you, Neha ma'am.
ma'am. Okay. So Behan and Gauraj, okay. If I'll ask you to show me your thumbs up, you have to show me like this. And Gauraj is showing like this, huh? Just like this, huh? Why Gauraj? You haven't ate anything? Means what you ate in the lunch? You have eaten your lunch or not? Yes or no? Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so let's start with your maths. Means one of the topics. I'll start with the fractions. Okay, I cannot ask that whether you what do you know about fractions. Okay, let's leave all the boring examples of pizza and cake. What we will do, we'll start with the very interesting, not very interesting, but we'll start with one example only. I'll make the picture clear of types of fraction. Okay. So let's take the example of an apple. Okay. Because you are in grade 4. So basically what is fraction? Fraction it is a Latin word, which is what happened, Rian? Why are you smiling? Huh? And smiling very cutely. Ah, okay, leave it. Fraction, it's a Latin word which is derived from the word fractus. And what is fractus? Fractus means broken pieces. Okay, equally broken pieces. That is a Latin word, fractus. So when we talk about fraction, means we are just we are talking about the things, means to select something. Okay, you are in grade 5. That's why you're. Yes, yes. I'm extremely sorry. You both are in grade 5. Very good. I'm sorry. Just a second, Behan. Give me a moment. Just a second. That's why Behan is smiling. You both are so cute. I thought you are in grade 5. Okay, leave it. Okay. So, what is fraction? When we are talking about something, okay, part of a whole, or just selecting some pieces from equal number of pieces. Okay, selecting some pieces from equal number of pieces, that is called as fraction. And how we represent fraction? It is basically represented in the form of numerator and denominator. Okay, numerator and denominator. The number which is written above the line, that is called as numerator, and the number which is written below the line, that is called as denominator. Let me present the screen and we will just start learning fractions through this. Okay, so what topics will be covered today? What is the definition of fraction? What will be the different types of fraction? Okay, converting one type of fraction into other, and there are some problems that you have to solve. Okay, but before going through this, I'll just explain a very small example and you will learn the type of fraction. Basically, there are three types of fractions. Okay, proper fractions, improper fractions, and the one is mixed fraction. And apart from them, we have like fractions, we have unlike fractions, we have unit fractions. Okay, but today we will be covering proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fraction. Okay, now see what is proper fraction and what is improper fraction. Now suppose Behan, Goransh, turn on your camera, bacha. Goransh, please turn on your camera. Okay, fine. Suppose if Behan, Goransh, and me, we three met together, okay, and I cut an apple in 10 equal pieces. Suppose I cut an apple in 10 equal pieces, okay, 10 equal pieces. Because in fractions, we always deal about the equal number of things. Okay. Means whatever the uh, equal, suppose if we are talking about a cake, okay, always see the distribution of cake is in equal number of pieces. So if I cut the apple in 10 equal pieces and if Bihan took 3 pieces, Goransh took 2 pieces and I took 5 pieces because I am elder to you. So I need more. Huh? Okay. Yes or no? Yes. Yes, Goransh? No, it's not like that. At least, actually, you should eat more. Huh? You are on a growing stage. Okay. So Suppose I cut an apple in 10 equal pieces. So if I ask, if your mother came, suppose if Bihan, your mother came, and if she will ask you that, Bihan, how many means how much apple did you eat, then what you will answer? You cannot answer mama 3, huh? Because 3 is a whole number. So what you will say? Mama, I ate 3 by 10, huh? 3 by 10. Now what is this 3 by 10? This is the representation of a fraction. You ate 3 pieces from 10 number of pieces. Okay, fine. So 3 by 10, it sounds proper in a proper manner because you can eat 3 pieces from 10 pieces. You can eat 7 pieces from 10 pieces. You can eat even 9 pieces from 10 pieces. It sounds in a proper manner because from 10 pieces, you can eat 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10 pieces also. Okay. But is it possible? Will your mother believe if you will say, Mama, I ate 12 pieces from 10 pieces? Is it possible? No, it is sounding improper, right? So whenever the numerator is greater means you cannot eat 12 from 10 pieces. Okay. So whenever the numerator is greater than the denominator, then it is a improper fraction because it is sounding in a improper way. And whenever the numerator is smaller than denominator, it is always a proper fraction. You can say, Mama, I ate 9 pieces from 10 pieces. I ate 4 pieces from 10 pieces. That is justified. You can eat. Okay. But you cannot eat 12 pieces from 10 pieces. You cannot eat 15 pieces from 10 pieces. In that case, what we have to do, whenever you come across the situation of improper fraction, then what we will do, improper fraction is converted into third type of fraction that is called as mixed fraction. And what is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction, mixed means mixture of two. You have already, means when suppose sometimes you come to home and if you'll ask your mother, Mama, what you have cooked in the lunch? And if suppose if she says, I have cooked mixed dal. Huh? So what is mixed dal? It is mixture of 2 or 3 pulses, right? Different types of pulses. Mixed veg. What is mixed veg? Mixture of 2 or 3 vegetables? Yes or no? In the same way, mixed fraction is mixture of whole number and a proper fraction. Is it clear? What is this? Yes or no? Yes. Vihan, I can't see you. Ah, yes. Very nice. Fine. So, you people are very smart, huh? I should not ask these type of questions. Definitely you will understand. Okay. Now see this. Huh? A fraction represents a part of a whole, more generally, any number of equal parts. I was already, means every time I was focusing on equal number of parts because if anybody asks why equal number of parts, you can say because it is derived from a Latin word, fractus. And what is fractus? When we talk about equally broken pieces, okay, that's why equal number of parts. Now see, in the first part, if I'll ask you what is the shaded part, you have to answer, ma'am, it's 1 by 2 because 2 number of equal parts are there and 1 is colored. So 1 by 2. Here 1 by 3. Here 1 by 4. In the same way, it is divided in 10 equal parts. So you can say 1 by 10. One more thing. Suppose if I'll ask you that my drawing is little poor and you have to manage with that. Okay. If I'll ask you that just express it in the fraction, will you be able to express it? Yes or no? Will you be able to express it? No. Can we express? Varansh, very good, Bihan. Can we express? No, we cannot express. Because maybe because of my drawing, you're thinking that it is equal, but it is not equal. Okay. Yes. Next. Now, types of fractions. I already told you when numerator is smaller and denominator is greater, it is proper fraction. What is improper fraction? When numerator is greater and denominator is smaller, just like 12 by 15, 7 by 90, 7 by 3, 8 by 4. Huh? These all are improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is greater than the denominator. And whenever the numerator is greater, see, what is fraction? It is part by whole. Okay. So it is not at all possible that you write the greater number on the numerator and smaller number on the denominator. Okay. Okay. So what is mixed fraction? When we combine a whole number and a proper fraction together, we get a mixed fraction. We already did that. One more thing I want to add here, that suppose if anybody asks you what is the range of proper fraction, okay? Because maybe if you are in grade 5, you have already studied about plotting the fraction on a number line. Have you studied that? Plotting a fraction on a number line? Yes, you studied in grade 4. Okay. So in grade 4, suppose if we have to plot 4 by 5, why we were plotting the numbers in between 0 and 1? If you remember, we were always plotting the fraction in between 0 and 1. Do you remember these things? If you can recall, come up with that. Okay. Why we were plotting a fraction like 4 by 5 on the number line in between 0 and 1? Because if it is a proper fraction, it will always lie in between 0 and 1. And if you will divide, I'll show you how. See, if you will divide 4 with 5, I think Behan's favorite topic is decimals. Okay. So, Behan, we have to take the help of decimal here. Yes. So, because 4 is smaller than 5, so we cannot uh, divide it. Huh? So what we will do, we will go to the decimals and we'll ask the help that please help us because I have to divide myself with a larger number. Then decimal will say, okay, take my help. Once you will add me in the quotient part, I'll give you the freedom to add 0 in the dividend part. Do you remember these things? Yes? Okay. So 5 times 8 is 40 now. Now see, 0.8. Will it lie in between 0 and 1? Did you get this concept? Gauranj, you are tired.
Kids, I have unmuted you, so you can unmute yourself and you can communicate with the mentor.
Unmute yourself. Now you can unmute, I think. Unmute. Gauranj? Yes. You want to talk? Yeah. Gauranj, just tell me why you're not smiling. Is the class boring?
No, ma'am.
No? Then did you understand that proper fraction lies in between 0 and 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Very. And Behan, how are you? You want to speak something?
Yes, ma'am. Very well. How are you?
Yes, Behan?
How are you?
I'm good. I'm very good. If you are happy, I will be happy, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very nice. Okay, now this is proper fraction. Numerator smaller, denominator greater. Improper fraction, numerator greater, denominator smaller. Just only remember that concept because sometimes what we have to do, if we will go with rote learning, it will be difficult for us to memorize all the things. How many things you will memorize? Just remember this example. We cannot eat 12 parts of 12 pieces from 10 pieces. Okay, we cannot eat. It is sounding improper. Huh? So whenever numerator is greater, improper means improper fraction. In this way, you can correlate the real life example and you can go ahead. Okay. No need to, uh, there is no need of rote learning in mathematics. Huh? Now I'll tell you the conversion of, okay, let's learn a little new thing. Conversion of improper fraction into a mixed fraction. You want to learn that? Have you learned in grade 4? Conversion of mixed fraction? Okay, so fine. Let me revise it. Okay, okay. Gauransh also knew that, but let me revise it up very quickly. Okay. Suppose if I ask you to plot, convert, see, if I have given you this fraction, you will say, ma'am, numerator is greater than denominator. It's much, much greater than denominator. Okay. Then it is an improper fraction. So there is only one treatment for improper fraction. As there is only one treatment for fever, medicines, huh? There is only one treatment for improper fraction. That is to divide it and convert it into mixed fraction. Let's divide it. 32. Can you just tell me what is 32? It's a dividend, quotient or divisor?
Dividend.
Very good. The number which gets divided is called as dividend. The number which divides, that is called as divisor. And when we will just divide 32 by 5, we will read out the table of 5. 5, 6 are 30. I know you all know this thing. Okay. the left out number is called as remainder. Now see, we will mark it like this and QRD. Okay, move in a clockwise manner starting from a Q. As the needle of the clock moves, move in that manner and write it like this. Q, remainder, divisor denominator, DD. Okay, that will always be in the downward portion. Remainder will be in the numerator part and Q will be written. What happened? A Q will be written just in front of R by D. So what is Q? 6. What is remainder? 2. What is divisor? 5. I think this is clear to you. Yeah. Now coming to the equivalent fraction. Okay. See, what are equivalent fractions? See, in fractions, there are two things that you need to know. Equivalent fraction and simplest form of fraction. Okay. So, it's nothing. Suppose if I have given you a simple fraction like 4 by 5. Okay. Then, whatever the fractions, okay, whatever the resultant fraction we will be getting on multiplying the same number with the numerator and denominator. In equivalent fraction, we multiply with the same numbers. Okay. And coming to the simplest fraction, what we do? We divide with the same numbers. Okay. So, suppose if we multiply 2 here and 2 here, multiplying the same number in the given fraction, whatever the resultant fraction you will get, that is called as equivalent fraction. Again, 8 by 10, if you multiply with 3, what you will get? 24 by 30. These all are equivalent fraction. 4 by 5 and 24 by 30 is again equivalent fraction. How? See, 4 by 5, 24 by 30. They are equivalent fraction. Why? Because when you multiply here with 6 and 6, okay? Because multiplying and dividing with the same number doesn't affect the fraction. But yes, if you will multiply, you will get the new fraction. So whatever the fractions you will be getting on multiplying with the same number in the numerator and the denominator, that resultant fraction will be called as equivalent fraction. And suppose if I ask you what is simplest form of fraction, what is reduced form of fraction, then what is that? Dividing the numbers, okay, the same numbers in the numerator as well as in the denominator is called as simplest form, reduced form. Okay. Bihan, what happened? Any doubts? No? Sure? Okay. See, this is equivalent fraction because what is this? Same, same parts are shaded. 1 by 3, huh? It's 2 by 6, okay? Because now it's one part, it is broken into two equal parts, okay? So it is 2 by 6, it is 4 by 12. But suppose if you will reduce it, reduce it means dividing with the common number. Han is feeling sleepy, huh? You want to drink water? No? Okay. 4 by 12, okay? How you will get to know whether they are equivalent fractions or not? Okay. 12 comes in the table of 4. Okay. So what we can do, we can divide it by 4 and 4. What you will get? You will get 1 by 3. Okay. Actually, reducing the fraction to its simplest form is very important to know. Okay. And for that, you have to know about the divisibility rules. Okay. Are you aware about the divisibility rules of the numbers? Fine. Now, Bihan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now you just tell me why you were smiling. You have to tell me. I too want to smile. Tell me, tell me. No, no, you have to tell me.
Actually,
Huh.
today in the morning, I just woke up at 6 o'clock. That's why I'm
Okay.
feeling too sleepy. And I am, I cannot express it.
Okay,
That's why I'm smiling.
you are feeling tired. Okay, after this class, you can go and sleep. Okay, eat lot of lunch and go and sleep.
Mm.
Fine. Now, suppose if we have to convert a because we learned converting improper fraction to mixed fraction. Now, what you have to learn? Mixed fraction to improper fraction. That is also pretty easy. You must be knowing that, but I have to revise it. Okay. So, whenever we have to convert it into improper fraction. What we will do while moving towards this, we multiply here and we add here. Okay, means divisor is multiplied with the quotient and then it is added with the remainder. Okay, so what you will get, 2 times 4 plus 3, and divisor will be the same. Okay, it will behave as a denominator only. It will be same. You have to keep the 4 same here. Okay, so 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 by 4. Okay, yes, okay, I'll ask questions, don't worry. Improper fraction to mixed fraction is done. Now, questions. Yes. Now, answer the questions quickly. I want to see who will answer the questions very quickly. Yes, Kauransh and Behan, do it quickly. It's easy. Done. Just give me.
Ma'am, I want to know the answer.
Okay, I'll tell you how to do. See, I have marked on this word equivalent fractions. Did you notice that? Okay, Raman bought a medium-sized pizza with 8 slices in it. Okay, the first pizza was medium-sized pizza. Okay, and how much slices were there? 8 slices were there. Okay, then Sanjay bought an extra large pizza. Okay, his pizza was larger and it contains 24 slices in it. Okay, it was Sanjay's pizza. If Sanjay ate 9 slices from his extra large pizza, then how many slices did Raman ate from his pizza, considering the fact that they form an equivalent fraction? Okay. Now Sanjay ate 9 pieces. Okay. So how many pieces did Raman eat from his pizza? Tell me. 24 minus 9. Yes or no? Yes. What happened, Gauraj? You want to say something? See, Sanjay's, how much fraction did he eat? 9 by 8. Okay. And how much fraction Raman ate? It's yes. What happened, Mehan?
Ma'am, I think over here that the question is telling that Sanjay ate uh, about he ate 9 slices from his extra large pizza.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So considering that they have said that how many did Raman ate? If we want to form equivalent fractions, then
Mhm.
uh, we multiply 3 with 8 so that we get 24. So if we multiply 3 with
Yes.
3, we get 9. So answer will be 3.
3. Yes. Very good. 8 will be multiplied with 3. You will get 24. When here the total number of pieces is 9. So what you will multiply with, what number you have to multiply 3 to get the result as 9? So the answer will be 3. Okay. Very good, Bihan. Goranj, did you get it? Did you get the answer? Or shall
Yes,
I?
ma'am.
Very,
Ma'am, got it.
very good. Okay. Next question. Next question. You want to do this question? You want to do this
Yes,
question?
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Do it. Equally, the lands were distributed among 3 kids equally. Okay. So first calculate how much share of the land 1 kid will get. Then how much share of the land with 2 kid will get. Okay. Do it. Yes, Gauraj. Now this time you have to answer.
Okay, ma'am.
You have done?
Almost.
Very good. Mehan, did you get the answer? No? Gauraj, what about you?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
But you are here to do the solutions, to get the solutions very quickly. Then only you will be able to qualify for the Olympiads. Okay. That is what you are going to learn here. How to solve the sums quickly. Okay. Yes. Okay. Leave it. Just look here. Okay. See how many total land was there? 369 acres. So what one kid will get? 369 by 3, right? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So if one kid will get 123 acres, then how much two kid will get? It will be 123, 123, that will be 246. Then how much, what fraction of land two kids will get? 246 by 369. That will be 2 by 3. But actually, I think it's not required. Huh? If the land is distributed among the 3 kids equally, and you have to tell the fraction of 2 kids, it's very easier to answer 2 by 3. Yes or no? Got it? Because they are asking you the fraction. They are not asking about the means what will be the total land the each person will be getting. Okay. If they're asking you in fraction, how many distributions was there? 3. About how many distribution they are talking about? 2. 2 by 3. Is it clear? Okay, that is end up with the session. So I want both of you to summarize the class, okay, within 2 minutes. First, Gauraj, you have to summarize what you have studied today, what new thing you learned today. Then, Behan, I'll come over to you. Okay. Yes, Gauraj, please summarize the class.
We studied fractions and I have learned proper fractions, improper fraction, mixed fractions,
Hmm.
and
Conversion of mixed to improper, improper.
proper to conversion to proper to mixed fraction.
Improper to mixed. Proper fraction cannot be converted. Don't touch that. Okay. It is untouched. Huh? It should be, it's just like untouchable plant. Have you seen untouchable plant? छुई मुई? छुई मुई देखा है आपने?
No,
उसको आप ऐसे छुओ तो वो ऐसे 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 मुड़ जाती है बिल्कुल से. एक प्लांट होता है, छुई मुई बोलते हैं उसको. टच मी नॉट, नॉट अनटचेबल, सॉरी, टच मी नॉट प्लांट उसको बोलते हैं। आप नेट पे सर्च करना, अगर आप उसको छूओगे ना, वो ऐसे 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 उसकी सारी पत्तियां आपस में सिमट जाएंगी। तो वैसे ही प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन होता है, उसको टच नहीं करना है, ठीक है?
Okay.
ठीक है, यस। हाँ बेहान, टेल मी,
Ma'am, I know the touch me not plant.
यू हैव सीन द टच मी नॉट प्लांट?
Not seen, but I know about it.
देखना, आपको उसको देखना भी चाहिए। आप कभी, आप मीन सपोज अगर कुछ ऐसा फेयर वगैरह लगे जहाँ पे प्लांट्स वगैरह का एग्जीबिशन हो, डू जाइए, बहुत चीजें अच्छी अच्छी देखने को मिलेंगी, ठीक है? एंड दैट पेंटिंग इज वेरी नाइस, वट एवर यू हैव स्केच्ड, that is on the wall. You have sketched that?
Ma'am, this one.
Yes.
Ma'am, this, yes, ma'am, I did it myself.
Okay, very nice, very good Bihan. Okay, चलिए Bihan, जल्दी से क्लास को समराइज करेंगे।
To- Today, at first, we learned what is fraction, and we also learned that fraction comes from the Latin word which is fractus,
Okay, very good.
which means dividing things into equal parts.
Equal broken pieces. Yes, its actual
Equal
meaning.
broken pieces.
Hmm.
Okay, so today we learned three types of fractions: mixed fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions.
Hmm.
So, then after that we learned how to convert from improper fractions to mixed fractions, and then to mixed fractions to again improper fractions.
Very good, Bihan. Very good.
Then,
I got it.
questions.
Your means whatever you learn, that's crystal clear. Okay, both of you are very good. Gauransh and Bihan, it was very nice interacting with you. It was very nice teaching to you. I'm looking forward to see you in the upcoming sessions. Rest over the things will be handled by Pooja ma'am. The kids are very nice, ma'am. They are very interactive, very nice kids.
Great. I've seen. So I hope you both have enjoyed the demo and it was something very useful for you. And I guess you got an idea that how the classes will be, right? So obviously the demo is a little bit gist of the classes with how you'll be able to have it. Okay. So if you have not enrolled yet, quickly enroll it and we'll see you in the classes. Okay. Okay. Till then, happy weekend. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Tell me one thing about the today's session in one adjective. Quickly, how was the session? In one adjective.
It was good.
Okay. And what about Bihan?
Ma'am, the session was
Exciting.
very interactive for me.
Oh,
And
great.
I could ask my questions also, and I got the solutions.
Very nice. Great. Then the classes will be also fruitful for you. Okay. So stay tuned and join the batch. All right. Bye bye, everyone. Happy weekend.
Bye,
Take
ma'am.
care. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.